If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back. This is Bitcoin. We're looking at Bitcoin continuing on with its sideways movement. We're one day short to 25 December. Now, some areas of the world, there's 25 December going on for the holidays. People are enjoying right now. And we have Bitcoin on 25th December right now trading. No, it's not even 25th December, 24th of December. And tomorrow we enter 25th. Now, yesterday on the Discord, and the signals actually opened up for the Discord as well. I did actually say that, you know, the color of Santa's dress is actually red. So just giving you the hint to the red blood that potentially could be coming in. And here we go again. Okay, so yesterday I probably thought, you know, you're breaking out of this particular scenario right here. Now, but this is actually a very, very difficult trade. Let me tell you that. That's actually a very difficult trade in the smaller time frame, because there's an issue with the trend line to be drawn. If you take the trend line, it could be actually like this. One can say it's actually like that. You see, like this. No, it's like that. It's like this. It's like that. So it's actually something you just don't know what to do of. Now, for some reason, I don't know, I'm just into the 4-hour time frame here, and I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame where the 55 is actually acting as the resistance number 1. And if I actually go into the daily time frame as well, I do see the 20 and the 10 EMA acting as a very big level of resistance right over there. So what I can actually say is that there is no pattern in play, unfortunately, even though yesterday I actually thought for a moment there's a little bit of a pattern. And let's talk about the USDT dominance. By the way, I'm looking at dominance, and dominance is actually quite interesting to look at. Now, first of all, I want to dive into the daily time frame on the dominance, because I saw dominance trying to, you know, go a little bit lower. So you can actually see that we almost have, like, you can say a triple top here on the 1-hour time frame, or maybe a left shoulder head and a right shoulder, and you could be looking for a nearly 3% drop to the downside. And that's where I was expecting Bitcoin to move a little bit higher, but you know, nonetheless, it's quite different and quite weird as well. But the thing with this one is that if you dive into the weekly time frame, the scary part remains on the weekly time frame here. I've been through this with you before for the dominance, and this is what I looked at the weekly yesterday. And that is, you know, you have this pattern, one resistance right there, one resistance here, broke out of the resistance, come back for the retest. You can see that's a very amazing, perfect retest ever that you can put. Like, if I had an opportunity to trade this, I would put a stop loss down at 7.75 right here and trade this 44% move to the upside. And that's the magic word, 44% move. We're talking about 44% move. 44% move to the upside is very bad for Bitcoin. That means Bitcoin goes 40% down. Yeah. See, that's the problem. Now, anyways, how much of a loss this could have been? Let's talk about it. Move to the downside like a, all right, 9.48%, a very big gap for trading it. But the thing is that we're looking for 36% move up. Actually, it makes 44 if you do come down to this line and retest the line. Yeah, you can see that's almost like a 44% move up. So let's see what happens. Once again, I actually take the top to the bottom right of that neckline right there. This is the point of breakout. All you have to do is just bring the trend line right there, and the line actually shows you that this is looking for a move up to that the highest part of the arrow. So what happens for Bitcoin, man? I'm pretty much not gonna trade Bitcoin for December, the whole of December, maybe even the whole of January, because these are 2 months that I think Bitcoin is looking to actually drop down. And we do have this bear flag as well. The technical target to come down to 12,000 is also in play. So be extra careful, guys. USDT is getting actually quite good. It's looking really, really good, really pretty to move up. Bitcoin also looking bad to move down. I think they're really, really clicking with one another, and we have really bigger chances of moving to the downside for Bitcoin right now. And that's pretty much it for this update. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.